All right, we want to write the product as a sum or difference. So we have the following product below, 8 sine of 40u times sine of 3u. So we have the product of a sine of something and a sine of another thing. So when we have the product involving two different sines, then we have the following identity to work with in order to turn it into a sum or difference. So we have sine of A times sine of B equals 1/2, in parentheses, cosine of A minus B. Let me write that a little better. Minus cosine of A plus B. Okay, so there's our identity that we're going to be working with. And since we have 8 sine of 40u times sine of 3u, then that means that A is equal to 40u and B is equal to 3u. So that tells us that sine of 40u times sine of 3u is equal to, using that identity, it would be 1/2 cosine of 40u, because it's A, minus 3u minus cosine 40u plus 3u. Okay, so we can simplify this a little bit. This would be 1/2 cosine of 37u minus cosine of 43u. Okay, now notice that our problem involves multiplying 8 in front of everything. So we can include that now. 8 sine of 40u times sine of 3u. So we're going to multiply the whole thing by 8. So that would be 8 times 1/2 of cosine of 37u minus cosine of 43u. And that gives us 4 cosine of 37u minus cosine of 43u. And we can lastly just distribute the 4 through the parentheses, and that would give us 4 cosine of 37u minus cosine of 43u. Not really anything else we can simplify there. So that is our, oh, sorry, I didn't distribute the 4. The 4 goes there. All right, so that's about all we can do with this problem at this point. So that I would consider that our final solution. So 4 cosine of 37u minus 4 cosine of 43u. All right, that's how you would use the product of some identity. Um, in this case, it's the difference, and when it involves both a product of a sine and a sine. So let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'm more than happy to help.